Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Commodity Research Club and our live show, Commodity Weekly Outlook. Today where we are going to explore all about bullion, energy, and base metals. And these sessions will be divided into two. First will be the fundamental, which will start by examining the fundamental factors shaping the commodity markets. And second will be the technical analysis, where we share the screen for interactive sessions and we'll analyze charts and data together to understand price momentum. So let's quickly start. Fundamentals in bullions is like gold prices have been rising for the fourth straight day, hitting 4 months high near 2680 dollar. So the reason for this increase was the geopolitical issues like ongoing conflicts like Russia-Ukraine war and tensions in the Middle East. Also, there is a weaker market sentiments like investors are seeking safety amid trade wars situations, fears. So despite higher US Treasury yields and strong US dollar, gold continued to gain, showing strong upward momentum. And traders are now waiting for the US non-farm payroll report for the more directions. And key inflation data, which includes PPI, will be published on Tuesday and CPI on Wednesday, will guide the market for further momentum. CPI is expected to rise by 2.9% for December, which may strengthen the US dollar. So, uncertainty around President-elect Donald Trump policies before his January 20 inauguration could keep gold prices volatile. So, however, gold bullish trends may continue for the short term. Now, let's come to energy update. Oil prices have reached their highest level in over the 3 months on Monday due to expectation that the US sanctions on Russian oil producer will tighten the global supply. So Brent crude rose to 80 above $81 and WTI rose above $77. So the sanction target major Russian company along with the vessels transporting Russian oil, which will reduce the Moscow's oil revenue. So this is expected to impact Russians' exports significantly, pushing China and India, the top buyers, to source oil from Middle East, Africa, America, which will increase the prices and shipping cost. So crude oil prices have risen for almost due to, and it is supported by US sanctions, winter demand for heat fuels, OPEC production cuts in December. While the rally may continue due to supply risk and a strong seasonal demand, challenging challenges like a strong US dollar and changing inventory level could slow down the gains. And key factor to watch will include the China economic policy and weather driven demands. So that's what's all about crude oil update. Now, coming to base metal update, copper is set for the biggest weekly gains in September, boosted by sign of recovering demand in China and concern over potential US tariff on metal imports. In China, copper cathode inventory in Shanghai and Guangdong have dropped to near 1 year low, which is around 82,200 tons, while the premiums for domestic and imported copper cargoes have reached their highest levels in this month. So these trends suggest strong demand even during the usual winter slowdown. So copper rally has also lifted other base metals. However, potential US tariff could raise local prices, slow consumption, and can add pressure on US manufacturing sector, which is already contracting. So rising metal prices coupled with falling equities, emerging markets, currencies, these all are stoking global growth concern. So while metals could remain elevated this week, a quick uh, reversal is possible as US inflation fears grows and tariffs are implemented. So copper currently leading the rally faces a key resistance near 99,150 dollar and may significantly downside if it fails to break that. Now we are going to see the technical part, technical analysis on commodity. I'm going to share my screen with you all. Hope my screen is visible to everyone. First, we are going to take a gold chart. What is happening here? As we can see, gold has given a rising lows. You can see higher lows, right? It has not given below any breakdown since it has made a low here, then again here and again, and have given a breakout, and it is forming a ascending triangle pattern. So breakout above 79 100 will give a good, rally of this much at least, which could see the 83,000 to even 84,000 levels. So that is I'm talking about long term, and long term in the sense in a very short bit about the it can see the some suggestion here which can take a week time, but yeah, overall if it is giving a breakout above 79,000, we can expect it will open the door for 83,000 to 84,000. But for a momentum, we have to see the small levels like it's up, and it has given the very thing to watch. It has given the positive crossover of 21 and 50 daily moving average, and it is sustaining above it. So only below 77,900 we can expect a correction. Otherwise, it would be we can see the resistance, immediate resistance near 79,000 levels. So overall, things remain bullish where we have to watch out for the level 77,900 for a reversal point, or otherwise it's going to give a breakout. We are expecting a breakout and above 79,000. So if it could see the sideways momentum also because it has it has just a second. Yeah, because from this level it has reversed a lot, 79,120 level and this levels also. So we have to wait for good volumes to give the breakout. Otherwise, we can see the sideways momentum. Downside 77,900 will be the resistance. Upside 79,000 will be the resistance, and downside 77,900 will be the support in gold. Let's see copper. Sorry, silver. Silver is also trading on a positive note. It is trading above all moving average, and it is trading in a downfall falling channel where it has beautifully taken the support near 86,000, 88,000, and then it is near 94,000. So overall, there is we can see the bullish sentiments continues because we have not seen, but yes, there is a hurdle right near 93,600 and also near 94,300, right? So we have to see these levels of resistance levels since it has beautifully reacted this falling trend line channel, right? So you have to wait for the reversal. If it is if suppose if it is giving a breakout above 94,000, we can expect further upside. Otherwise, we can expect a reversal from these levels. Overall, things remain positive for silver. As downside, we can see there is support near 91,300, 90,200, and even 88. This 200 daily moving average comes near 88,300. And upside, you can see the 94, this resistance 94, 700, and 96, 375 as a good resistance. So overall, gold and silver remain bullish. There is no confirmation for reversal. Anything below, you can say 90,000 could see the downside in silver. Okay, let's see the crude oil. This is crude oil February contract. It has given a breakout above 200 level. If you can see 6300 level, it has moved above and with good spurt of volume, it has break its resistance line, which is near 6550 level. So we can. It has opened a door for 7000 level. By any time, it can reach there. And now prices could shift within the range, like 6400 to 7000 level. So these will be this zone could be the sideways momentum if things are okay and nothing is happening now, and 6300 remains a strong support. Upside we can see the 6800 level to even 7000 level in crude oil. Let's see the natural gas. Same with the natural gas has given a good breakout above. It is trading above 309 level, which is 21 days moving average. Since it has continuously given upside, as it's there is a good fundamental supporting it. So if it is sustained above 360, there is a chance it could go above 400 levels also, right? There is a chance it can touch even 400 to 420 levels if it sustains above 309 level. Overall trend remain very strong in energy. Let's see the copper. Copper is trading near its 200 with this green line. You can see this is 200 daily moving average, which is coming around 828, which is very strong level. If it is break above this level, we can expect a good rally, and we can see the to 835 to even these levels also we can see 852. But if it is, if there is a fundamental not supporting or something comes out, then below 828 we can expect a sideways to downside movement. So we have to wait for the breakout of 200 days moving average. As we can see, there is a sideways momentum in copper still going on, though it has given a support near 795 and it has bounced back from that level, but it has reached to the resistance level, which is 830 to 828 levels. Above breakout above that with good volumes will define the further upside momentum, right? So that's all about commodity market for a week, and hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for being a part of this week commodity sessions. We appreciate your engagement and hope the insights were helpful. Stay connected for more updates in further future sessions. Wish you a great week ahead. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investment in